Welcome to another Moodle.com video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to allow your students to upload work to your Moodle course page. One of the great things about Moodle is the fact that students can submit their work and be given time restrictions and date restrictions as to when the work must be submitted by. To do this, all we need to do is log in to Moodle and head to your course page. And once you have done that, beside the week section which you'd like to use, click Add an Activity or a Resource. Once you've clicked on that, a small menu will open with a list of different activities and resources that are available. The one that we're interested in is the very first one, which is Assignment. By clicking on that and then heading to Add at the bottom of the page, a new page will then open, allowing you to set the different settings for the assignment uploader. The very first thing you'll notice is some of the text is in red. These are fields that you have to enter in some data for. So for the assignment name, I'm just going to say sample 1. And for the description, I'm just going to say sample uploader. Directly below this, you'll be able to see the availability option. This says allow submissions from, so this is the start date when students are allowed to upload from. You have to make sure that the tick beside this is enabled. And then the due date is when the content is actually due. The cutoff date is actually another date which shows exactly when the uploader will be cut off. An important thing to keep a note on is the submission types. You can see that by default file submissions is selected. This allows the user to upload files from their computer. Beside this, you'll see online text, which will provide the user with a box to enter text. Below this, you'll be able to see maximum submission size. So by clicking on this, you'll see that there's different options available. These options depend on where your Moodle is currently being hosted. So by default, this particular instance only has a 1 megabyte limit. So if the user's file is anything above that, they will not be able to submit it. Generally, by sticking to something bigger than this, maybe about 3 to 5 megabytes, the student should be able to upload their content. There's another set of options below this, such as the feedback types. This is the type of feedback that we're going to be allowed. So feedback comments, offline grading worksheet, and feedback files. Below this, you'll be able to see the submission settings. So it says require students to click a submit button. Sometimes this isn't particularly great because students may actually forget to press the submit button and they might actually just upload the file. So it's good to keep this one set to no. Directly below this, there is require that students accept a submission statement. Again, it's probably better to keep this set to no because students may again forget to actually select this. You'll be surprised, although these options seem straightforward, if a student is in a bit of a panic trying to upload their work, they may not actually fully read the options that they should to ensure that the upload completes successfully. The student generally just wants to upload as quick as possible and be done with it. Below this, you'll be able to see group submission settings, which we won't go into right now. And then below this, notifications. So notify graders about submissions and notify graders about late submissions. So we'll leave these to your discretion. To finish up, just click Save and Return to Course, and this assignment uploader will then be added to your course page. So now you can see that sample1 has been added, which was the name that I gave to the file uploader.